Hello guys, welcome to Java tutorial. Today's topic is set interface. In Java, set is a collection. It does not allow duplicate elements and also not a preserve order and used for when we want to store unique items like student ID, username, etc. The set interface extend the collection interface and present in java.util package. Implement classes like asset, linked asset, tree set. First, asset. It stores elements using as table and fast but does not maintain any order. Example, implement classes asset not allow duplicate and it not maintain insertion order. Try to add duplicate. So if try to access number, set get index 0. If try to access using get method, it throwing error because it not follow the insertion order. It store randomly. It not store like list. Now run the application. Here 1, 2, 3. It not storing duplicate value. The asset default capacity is 16. If it fill 75%, it the size of asset is double. And next motto, linked asset. Here asset is not a preserve order, but linked asset is preserve order. Like linked list. Linked asset is preserve order and not allow duplicate and allow null value also. Here asset also allow null value. Three is not allowing and null value. And one more implement class is tree set. Tree set implement sorted set. The sorted set extend the set and the tree set used for sorting purpose. Not allow duplicate and null value also. Here duplicate value and here null. Now run the application. Yeah, throwing error. If you comment, not allowing null value. Yeah, 1, 2. Suppose if I add 0, run the application. Here 0, 1, 2, 3. It follow the sorted. Elements are stored in sorted order using tree structure and does not allow null value. In tree set, we have lot of methods. We can remove that object. Set here remove 3. Return true. Here 0, 1, 2. 3 is removed. If I want, here one more method. First. Last. Run the application. The first value 0 and last value 3, and 2 is it returned a ceiling value. It returned least element in the set greater than or equal to given number. If 2 is present in the set, it return that value. Otherwise, above value, there is no above value in the set, it return null. Suppose if I enter 4, floor value 5, floor value 5. In the set there is no 5 value, so it return lower value. The lower values less than the 5 means there is 3 only, is near to 5, and here the seal value there is no 4 value, so it return above value, but there is no above value, there is no greater than 4, so it return null. Run the application. Yeah, 3 null. That's it from my side. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.